Time for the latest update. The car got inspected and passed with flying colors. Very glad to live in a small town. Super easy. All the paperwork is done and submitted. So at this point, it's actually been about 2.5 weeks. They've had the paperwork, and for some reason they say it's going to take about 2 months to finish processing the rebuild paperwork so that I can actually get the car registered and things like that. Seems a bit ridiculous that it takes that long, but I guess it just is what it is. So in order to not waste time, I've still been working on the car a little bit. I've got the front bumper off because it had some cosmetic issues. I've been working on getting all those fixed, and now I'm just working on some of the body stuff because, well, I just can't really drive the car, can't really do much with it. So here we are. Here's the car. It is inspected, it is checked off, all the paperwork is filed. There's no reason that I know of it shouldn't get checked off, so now we're just waiting.